Use the envelope system, budgeting hack. The envelope system is a classic cash-based budgeting method that helps you control spending by giving every dollar a job, literally. It works especially well for people who tend to overspend without realizing it. Choose your budget categories. Common ones include groceries, dining out, entertainment, gas, clothing, and personal care. Assign a spending limit. Based on your monthly budget, decide how much money to allocate to each category. Fill physical envelopes with cash. Withdraw cash for each category and place it in labeled envelopes. For example, groceries, $300. Dining out, $100. Gas, $150. Spend only from the envelope. If your dining out envelope is empty, you either stop eating out or shift funds from another envelope. No swiping your card for just this one time. Adjust monthly if needed. If you consistently run out of cash in one envelope, review your limits and spending habits. Forces you to physically see money leaving your hand, making spending more mindful. Prevents accidental overspending in certain categories. Builds discipline while still giving you flexibility to reallocate funds when needed. If you have $1,000 for variable expenses, you might divide it into groceries, $400, gas, $200, fun and entertainment, $200, miscellaneous, $200. Once those envelopes are empty, spending in that category stops, helping you stay within budget without guesswork. If you like, I can also give you a modern, digital envelope version of this system using apps so it works even without carrying cash. That would make it more practical for today's cashless lifestyle. Create multiple bank accounts, budgeting hack. The multiple bank accounts method is like having digital envelopes for your money. Instead of keeping all your funds in one account where they mix together, you split them into separate accounts, each with a specific purpose.